Alright, I want to show you a quick way to deposit money into your Exness trading account using cryptocurrency method. So let's open the app, and once we are in the Exness app, the first thing that we are going to do is to click on deposit over here. But before that, look at the amount I have over there. That is $14.25. Alright, so let's proceed with the deposit. I'll tap on deposit over here, and of course we are using cryptocurrency method, so I'm going to tap on crypto wallet. Then from here, I'll have to select from the type of crypto that I want to deposit. We have Bitcoin, Theta, that's USDT. The USDT, we have two variations over here. We have 𝙁𝙊𝘾𝙊, that's a different network, and we also have 𝙁𝙊𝘾20. Now I want to go with 𝙁𝙊𝘾20, that's Tron network. I don't want to use the Ethereum network. The Ethereum network is the 𝙁𝙊𝘾20. So for the 𝙁𝙊𝘾20, which is the Tron which I want to use, I'm going to tap on this deposit over here. From here, I'll have to select and continue. From here, I'll just tap on continue, and I'll have to copy the address over here. Address copied successfully. Now the next thing for me to do is to just close this page. I don't need it right now. Then I'll go back to my Binance account. So here is my Binance account interface. What I'm going to do now is to go to my assets over here. Then so from here, I'm going to tap on withdraw. Now what asset do I want to withdraw? I want to withdraw USDT, that's Theta USDT. So I want to withdraw via crypto network. I'm going to tap on that, and from here I'll have to paste the address that I've copied from my Exness account. Now over here, you could see over here they said there are multiple matches, please select. Right, so the network, I have to tap here and select it. You remember the network that I told you that we are using is 𝙁𝙊𝘾20, not Solana, not BNB, not this is the one specific one we are using, 𝙁𝙊𝘾20. So I'll select it. From here, I have to enter the amount that I want to withdraw. The minimum that you can withdraw over here is $10, but then in my case I want to withdraw everything, so that $36 I'm going to withdraw or push it to my Exness account for trading. So I'll go ahead and hit the withdraw button at the down here. Before the money goes to my Exness account, it has to undergo this internal transfer. Suppose since the money is not already in my spot wallet, it has to be directed to my spot wallet first. So let's do that and see. Alright, so I'm going to proceed with this. The network fee charged over here is $1. So yeah, let's proceed, confirm. Now I need to verify. I'm going to use this method over here. So the withdrawal is being processed right now. Once it has landed into my account, I'll show it to you. So I'll catch you up in the next part. Alright, so if you can see, an alert I have over here is withdrawal successful. That's from Binance at the top over here. Withdrawal successful. Now I have to check my wallet and see if it has reflected over there. So I'm going to go to Exness right now. Alright, so I'm on my Exness platform right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on deposit again. Then I'm going to go to the crypto method. You can see the amount has reflected over there already. So that's the amount over there. They've charged $1 out of the $36 that I was transferring. So that is it, and I hope you've studied this well. Now I have to push the money into my main trading account, so I'm going to tap on transfer over here. So yes, I'm transferring between my own account, so that's why this is selected over there. Okay, you see, transfer between your accounts. So at the down over here, this part, this is from account to account. So this part, I'm going to tap on it and select the account that I want the money to go into. So it's going to go into my MT5 account, and the amount I'm going to withdraw everything. So that is like $35, right? So I'm going to just tap on continue and tap on confirm. Your transaction is in progress. Once the provider accepts it, you'll be able to track its status on a transaction history page. So I'm going to close this page. Then here you go. This is the amount right here. Okay, so basically that is it, and I hope you've learned something from this video. If you do, kindly hit that like button on the video and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Bless up.